Hello friends, welcome back. This is tutorial 3 and in this tutorial I'll be talking about some example. In one of the example I'll be talking about strings that string can be joined together with the dot operator, and that dot operator also known as period character. And I also told you previously that the scalar data hold the numeric value as well as string value. So in this example you will be able to see how it will store. And another example I'll be talking about some mathematical calculation, that how to add the two numbers, multiplication, subtraction and division. So let's check it out. So just type $string 01 equal to, this is value 1, close it. Another string 02 equal to double quotation, this is value 2, close it, semicolon. Now print, type print, open the bracket, $string dot. By this dot you can able to add both the string or join both the string 02, close the bracket. Also you can add the new line operator, this one, yes, add the semicolon at the end and just save the file and run the script. Some syntax error is there, let's see where we did mistake. Yeah, here we add colon instead of semicolon. So again save it, run the script. Yes, now you are able to see this is value 2. Why? Because here we forgot to write 01. Again you have to run the script. Now you are able to see this is value 1, this is value 2. Now both the strings are joined together. So let's move on to the another example. In this example I will be talking about some mathematical calculation. So let's see. Type print 4 plus 4, new line operator, just close it. Again add some 4.5 multiply by 4.3, just add the new line operator again, close it, semicolon. If you print the exponential notation, you can write 3 multiply by 3e 5, close it, semicolon. Or if you print 3 to the power 4, so you can write like this: 3 double multiplication double star 4 here I forgot to add a comma. Yes, so let's check. First save it and run the script. Now you are able to see 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 4.5 multiplied by 4.3 is equal to 19.35, 3 into 3 e to the power 5 equal to 9 lakhs, and 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. So yeah, this is working.